What is going on, Get Fat fam? Ron here with Get Fat Food. Welcome to another video. Today, it might sound a little echoey here, but I am visiting family here in my hometown of the Central Valley in California. So anyway, today we have some Wienerschnitzel.
Perfect.
My schnitzel. Yeah, man, I got the big combo here. I got some chili cheese fries 2 times. I got some corn dogs, 3 corn dogs. I've got 5 chili cheese dogs. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this, but let's give it a try, right? I mean, that's what mukbang's all about, trying new stuff and filming it for you guys. Oh, so I got my Coke right here, courtesy of my mama. Just some water, just in case. And yeah, man, let's get this started. Wienerschnitzel mukbang, new setting. All right, first, easy peasy corn dog with ketchup. Okay. Chili cheese fries, kind of soggy. Unfortunately, I got all this food like a couple of hours ago. I know I keep doing that, but can't help it. Plans change sometimes, you know? There's a chili cheese dog. Okay. Cheers. I haven't had Wienerschnitzel in a long time. Oh. Oh. One corn dog down. But then what's gonna get me are these fries. That's what's gonna make me full. Very interesting. So they cook the wiener, they wrap it with the cheese, then they just pour chili on top. Works. I don't know, maybe it's just because I got it. I didn't eat it right away, the fries, but they're not very good. How do you guys like the schnitzel? Are you fans or no go? No bueno. So crunchy. corn dog is not bad. After all these hours, it's still a little crispy. Look at that cheese. Number 2, chili cheese dog. Excuse me. Wow, that echoes in here, man. Excuse me. How often have you guys gone to Wienerschnitzel? For me, in my whole life, I think I've done a Wienerschnitzel maybe 6 to 10 times. And that's in my whole life. I don't know, you guys. Should I eat this? My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Last bite, you guys. How's that shit? A little bit of ketchup. I'm past my limit today. I'm pretty darn full. Well, gonna end the video right here. Thanks very much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm sorry. Excuse me. To all my subscribers, my few subscribers, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, maybe you should. Well, if you like this kind of content. So if you do like what you're seeing, you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, please, for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. It's free to you, so please do. Anyways, you guys, that was Wienerschnitzel. Stay tuned for more. Thanks very much for watching. Keep safe and healthy. Support your local businesses. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.